Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I want to show you how to view your QR code for your TikTok account and how to scan other people's QR code on TikTok. QR code contains your account name, which is in matrix barcode version. This allows you to quickly show it to someone so they can find you and follow you on TikTok. This is great if your username is really long or hard for the other person to pronounce or understand it. Using QR code can easily find the other person. So to see your QR code, open up your TikTok app. Now tap on your profile tab at the bottom right. Then tap on the three lines at the top right. Now within this list, find QR code and tap on it. Once the page loads up, it will show you your account QR code. You can show this to your friends or family members for them to scan it using their phone. Now to scan other people's QR code, you have a scanner here at the top right. Go ahead and tap on it. Align the QR code in the frame and the app will scan the QR code. If it finds a TikTok account, it will then visit the user's profile. And that is how to view your QR code for your TikTok account and how to scan other people's QR code. Before you go, don't forget to like this video, and if you found this helpful, then please subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. As always, thanks for watching and see you in the next one.